Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this 75% mechanical keyboard, wireless keyboard that this brand sent to me for this video. I gotta say that after trying it, I'm convinced that this is a really good hybrid 75% mechanical gasket and also really soft keycaps keyboard that you can use for both gaming and productivity. It is really soft. It is really well made for productivity. More than anything, if you're working from home and you don't want to bother others, the kick. Oh, this is so soft. I'm gonna put my microphone over there in just a few seconds so you can hear it. It is super soft, but also it is really accurate for gaming. It has some other functions and features that made it to be also good for gaming. Like for example, you can connect this one via USB-C cable, via Bluetooth, and via 2.4 hertz dongle directly to your computer. And it also has RGB lights and everything. Like every gamer, we like that for sure. And other two colors. So this is one of the colors, but has two others that you may find more attractive, or if you want to stick with this one, like the retro Nintendo colors or Game Boy colors, this one could be really good as well. But also, you can hot swap it. If you want, you can hot swap, but it comes in with some other features and things that you can actually do. For example, this one and the ASIN keycaps, which makes it to be really, really soft. And you also have the tool to do it yourself if you want to change them as well. I'm going to actually connect it to my computer so you can see it with the lights and some of the features as well. So before I put my microphone over there so you can hear better, just take a look at this one over here. Looks fantastic with the RGB lights. And something that I really like is this one over here. You can press it. When you press it, it's gonna mute your computer, and then you can go to the left to lower the volume or to the right to get the volume a little bit higher. So that's actually really good. And I do like the kind of like the color choice of this one. And of course, being a 75% mechanical keyboard, you're not gonna have the numpad on the right. Oh, also another thing, besides that this is a very sturdy and a strong keyboard, this is a super thick and heavy keyboard, is right here. You're gonna find the selector for the Bluetooth or the dongle or USB-C. Here's where the dongle goes, and this is the USB-C port. And this right here, this is super cool. You have not one, but actually two. You can elevate this keyboard just a little bit or more if you want, which I think, again, that's really cool as well as this RGB lights on the sides of the keyboard. Let me put my microphone over here for a second. So again, if you're looking for a reliable three-way connection, wireless with RGB, a knob over here to control the volume, the USB-C, Bluetooth, and dongle, and also two different elevation points in a really soft and good clicky sound keycaps, this one could be the good one. The B87 keyboard for iLovBee. This is really, really good, and I have to say that I like it. I'm going to give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.